Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Smart Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make a fresh homemade guacamole, full of flavor and perfect for grilled meats, tacos, or simply with crispy tortilla chips. Step 1. Place 6 ripe California avocados, peeled and pitted, into a large glass bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocados until you get a soft and creamy texture. Step 2. Add 1 1/2 chopped white onions. Step 3. Add 1/2 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Step 4. Pour in the juice of 2 fresh limes. Step 5. Add 1 small zucchini. Finely pureed. This gives the guacamole an extra smooth texture while keeping the flavor fresh and balanced. Step 6. Add 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Step 7. Add 6 finely chopped serrano chiles. Step 8. Add salt to taste. Now mix everything gently until the ingredients combine into a rich, creamy guacamole. To help prevent the guacamole from darkening, place the avocado pits back into the bowl until you are ready to serve. Step 9. Transfer the guacamole into a serving dish. Decorate the plate by adding 2 large chopped tomatoes on one side, finely chopped serrano chiles in the center, and fresh cilantro leaves on top. On the other side of the plate, place crispy fried tortilla wedges, also known as totopos. And that is it. A fresh, authentic homemade guacamole that is perfect with tortilla chips, tacos, or a beautiful grilled steak. If you want to see the Carne Asada recipe that pairs perfectly with this guacamole, check the link in the description of this video. Enjoy your cooking, enjoy your guacamole, and have a wonderful day.